Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into DesignCrowd, a freelancer platform connecting clients and designers worldwide. Want to learn more? Check the links below. DesignCrowd gives businesses and individuals access to a global talent pool for logos, websites, marketing materials, or custom artwork. Its crowdsourcing model lets clients post briefs and receive multiple design submissions. This allows clients to choose the perfect design and gives freelancers a chance to compete and showcase their skills. Perfect for small businesses, startups, and individuals seeking affordable, high-quality design work, DesignCrowd is also great for freelancers wanting flexibility and project competition. A key feature is its global reach, bringing diverse styles to your project. Clients submit a brief, set a budget, and receive numerous concepts within days. Revisions ensure the final product meets expectations. Freelancers gain international exposure and build portfolios across various industries. DesignCrowd offers flexible pricing. Clients set budgets, making it accessible even with tight finances. Freelancers earn through contest wins or direct hires, with secure transactions. Overall, DesignCrowd is a reliable platform connecting clients and freelance designers. Its user-friendly interface, competitive pricing, and global network make it invaluable for anyone needing design services. Learn more and try it yourself via the links below.